Good day everyone, especially to you Miss Moira. I am Lady Janice Mata from BSA 2B. I am reading my essay about agricultural application of alkynes, alcohols, and ethers. The agricultural application of alkynes, alcohols, and ethers are constantly evolving. Researchers are exploring new ways to utilize this compound to develop more efficient and sustainable farming practices. Alcohols, alkynes, and ethers are essential components of modern agriculture, contributing to increased crop yield, pest control, and developments of sustainable farming practices. As research continues, these compounds are poised to play an even greater role in shaping the future of agriculture, ensuring food security and environment sustainability for generations to come. Alkynes with their unique triple bond structure offer a versatile platform for agricultural application. They are used as building block for various herbicide and insecticide, effectively targeting specific pests and weeds without harming beneficial insects or the environment. Furthermore, alkynes are finding their ways into biofuel production. Their high energy contents makes them promising candidates for alternative fuels, potential reducing reliance on fossil fuels and promoting sustainable agriculture. Alcohol are constantly evolving. Researcher is actively exploring new ways to utilize the compounds, leading to the developments of more efficient and sustainable farming practices. The potential of alcohol is to enhance crop yields, control pests, and promote sustainable agriculture, make them valuable tools for shaping the future of food production. Alcohols are increasingly used in the developments of biopesticide, offering a more environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic chemicals, also alcohols. Particularly, ethanol and methanols are widely used as solvent in various agricultural applications. This is essential for the production of fertilizer. Either with their unique chemical properties are valuable in agricultural application. They are used as solvent in the production of pesticide and herbicide, ensuring their proper formulation and population. Moreover, ethers are finding increasing use in the developments of biopesticide. These naturally derived pesticides offer a more environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic chemicals, reducing the risk of harmful residues in crops and the environment.